Cooking a turkey in a 325 degrees Fahrenheit convection oven.
Welcome to our guide on cooking a turkey in a convection oven set at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Convection ovens are great for cooking a turkey because they circulate hot air, ensuring even cooking and a crisp, golden brown skin. In this guide, we'll provide the optimal temperature setting and cooking time to help you achieve a perfectly cooked turkey.
What is the ideal temperature for cooking a turkey in a convection oven?
When using a convection oven, the general rule is to reduce the temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit compared to a conventional oven. Since the original recipe calls for cooking the turkey at 325 degrees Fahrenheit in a conventional oven, you should set your convection oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit.
How long should I cook the turkey in a convection oven?
The cooking time for a turkey in a convection oven depends on its weight. Follow this guideline. For a turkey under 14 pounds, cook for 2 to 2.5 hours. For a turkey between 14 and 18 pounds, cook for 2.5 to 3 hours. For a turkey between 18 and 22 pounds, cook for 3 to 3.5 hours. For a turkey over 22 pounds, cook for 3.5 to 4 hours. Remember, these are approximate times. To ensure your turkey is cooked to perfection, use a meat thermometer to check its internal temperature. The turkey is done when the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the thickest part of the thigh.
Should I baste the turkey while it's cooking?
Basting a turkey can help keep it moist and add flavor. However, since convection ovens tend to cook food more evenly, it's not necessary to baste as frequently as you would in a conventional oven. Baste your turkey every 45 minutes to 1 hour to keep it moist and flavorful. To cook a turkey in a 325 degrees Fahrenheit convection oven, reduce the temperature to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and follow the recommended cooking times based on the turkey's weight. Don't forget to check the internal temperature with a meat thermometer, aiming for 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the thickest part of the thigh. Happy cooking, and enjoy your delicious turkey!